Hello everyone, how's it going? I saw some pictures of some colorful non-soy tempeh and I was inspired to make some. But luckily I was successful. As you can see, my tempeh has a glistening white mold on the outside and it feels very soft and silky to touch. For this tempeh, I threw in some split green peas. Well, don't worry about the proportion yet because I'm gonna show you a very easy way to match your cultures with your beans as long as how much vinegar to put in accordingly. So we got some green color. Now let's throw in some black beans. I cooked them separately. Make sure not to overcook your green peas because they are very delicate. Then I spread them out to dry next to the window. So then I thought it would be cool to throw in some orange color. I got some roasted sweet potatoes. I cut them into small pieces when they're all dry to touch, meaning you feel no wet residues on your fingers. Just throw them all in one bowl and mix them all together. I'm going to tell you the next step, which is for me is very important. Make sure you don't miss it. Now your beans are all mixed. Let's measure them as in cup. I got about 4 cups of cooked beans. This means I need 4 tablespoons of vinegar and 4 teaspoons of tempeh culture. You can use rice vinegar or apple cider vinegar. In my experience, they provide better tempeh than the regular vinegar. Now this is very important. You gotta mix the beans with the vinegar first. Stir thoroughly, then mix in your cultured tempeh. Make sure to mix them thoroughly, yeah? Now let's package them in some Ziploc or freezer bags that I poked holes already. Something like this. You can incubate them in an instant pot under the low yogurt setting and forget about them for 24 hours. After that, you get something like this. Then just throw them in your oven for another 8 hours maybe, or until you see them covered all in white. Congratulations, you have successfully made your tempeh. Enjoy and please subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.